How to backup and restore permissions of files, folders, or drives in Windows. File permissions help keep your system secure by protecting sensitive data and blocking unauthorized access. But during reinstallations, migrations, or recovery, you may need to tweak them to keep everything running smoothly. In this video, we'll walk you through how to backup and restore permissions of files, folders, or drives in Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What are Windows file permissions? Permissions in Windows, managed through NTFS, control access to files and folders. This impacts usability, data accessibility, and security by defining who can perform specific actions on system resources. Windows file permissions consist of these key elements: NTFS permissions, which control access to files and folders, defining allowed actions for users or groups; inherited permissions, where subfolders and files automatically adopt permissions from parent folders unless manually overridden; ownership, which identifies who controls the file or folder. Owners can modify permissions and take control; access control lists, ACLs, which stores detailed permission settings defining which users or groups can access and how. Common permission types include read, view, write, modify, and execute run files or scripts. How to manage permissions. There are several ways to configure Windows user permissions. While you can rely on third-party GUI and batch processing tools to manage your data, there are also built-in Windows tools that will do just the trick. Using File Explorer. This user-friendly Windows tool is best suited for basic permission management. It provides a graphical interface ideal for users needing to view or adjust file and folder permissions without advanced scripting or commands. Using PowerShell. This is a more powerful Windows tool for advanced permission management. PowerShell supports managing ACLs, inheritance, and bulk changes using commandlets and scripts, making it ideal for automating complex permission tasks across files, folders, or entire drives. Using Command Prompt. Similar to PowerShell, Command Prompt is a more technical tool that lets IT teams set advanced user permissions. In particular, the ICACLS command lets administrators backup and restore file, folder, or drive permissions easily. However, the actual steps for this method are quite lengthy, so check out our blog for the full list of instructions. Windows permissions are essential for securing data and controlling access to critical system resources. Backing up and restoring these settings ensures consistent protection, minimizes risk, and maintains integrity during system changes or failures. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to backup and restore permissions of files, folders, or drives in Windows, linked in the description below.